Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone says not enough storage but there is. Are you facing the frustrating message on your iPhone that says not enough storage even though you find ample space left on your device? But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn off iCloud backup in settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top and choose iCloud. Next scroll down and tap on iCloud backup. And then turn off backup this iPhone and then tap on turn off again and you are done. The next step is delete old iPhone backups. If you have turned on iCloud backup for a long time, there would be a large amount of data and files synced to your iCloud. To free up more iCloud storage, go to delete those old iPhone backups. For this, go to settings and head to your Apple ID and then select iCloud. Next, tap on Manage Account Storage. Then select Backups. Then select the device you are not using and tap Delete Backup and you are done. And the next step is disable iCloud Photos. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to App section and choose Photos from here, or you can search it. And then toggle off the switch next to iCloud Photos and you are done. And the next step is selectively backup data. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then choose iCloud and browse all apps using iCloud. Toggle off the data and apps that you don't want to backup and you are done. And the next step is free up more storage space. To update a new iOS version, you need to make sure that your iPhone has enough storage. If not, you can delete some data and settings to free up more storage space for update. For this, go to Settings. Next, tap on General and choose iPhone Storage. Then select any unused apps to delete and you are done. And also you should delete downloaded update. When you cannot install the latest version of iOS due to not enough storage, you can try removing and downloading the update again. For this, go to iPhone storage again and find the update in the list of apps. Tap on it and then choose delete update and then choose delete update again. Now go back to download the latest update and you are done. And the next step is force reboot iPhone. For this, you just need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to Settings and then choose General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone and then choose Reset and choose Reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. And you are done. And the next step is erase all content and settings. Unlike only resetting all settings on your iPhone, erasing all content and settings is another option to resolve the issue. This means that you reset your iPhone to the factory default settings, allowing you to delete all content and settings. For this, tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue and then select erase iPhone and proceed to enter your lock screen passcode and erase all content and settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone says not enough storage but there is, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.